Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to customize a BlackBerry Curve 8330. First you want to start off by taking off the battery. Pull that out. See two screws right here and then right here. Take those out. You need a T5 screwdriver to take them out. Make sure you put them aside so you don't lose them. Next, you want to take off this part right here, bottom piece. Do that, just put the pry tool right in there. Kind of just pry it out. Boom, comes off. Next, you want to take apart the housing. If you put the pry tool in there, it should come off pretty easily. Okay, we got it off. Alright, next you want to take the new housing. First thing you want to do, peel off this 3M strip. Make sure you're careful in peeling it off so you don't take the whole thing off and it has no adhesive. It's easy if you want to start in the corner. There we go. Once you get the hang of it, peels off right away. Just gotta get a good corner peeled off. I'm gonna put the new keyboard in. Install the housing on top. Should just slide into place. Press down on it, make sure all the sides are perfectly in place. Hear the clicks. Alright, once that's in, put back in the screws. Nice and tight. Alright, once that's in, take the new housing cover, the faceplate, the screen cover. I'm going to peel off the back side. It's a little adhesive on the back side. Peel off that screen protector on the back side. And you just put it down. Just make sure smooth it out gently so it sticks. The next part you have to do is you want to put on the new bottom piece. Slide this on right here. Ta-da! Only last piece to do, put the battery in, put the housing on, faceplate on, and ta-da! There you go. Brand new BlackBerry Curve 8330.